SSL Family Dad with Simple Suburban Living, and today I'm out here with the chickens. I was actually out doing another video and just kind of doing some other things around, and I just got to thinking, you know, I actually was kind of surprised that we have these chickens here. You know, we live in a suburban setting. It's kind of small town, rural setting, but it is a subdivision. We have a small lot here, and when we bought this house, just having chickens was never something that I had thought we would do. You know, my wife had mentioned it quite a few times that she wanted to have chickens. The kids, of course, wanted to have chickens when it had been discussed, but I always just kind of dismissed it. You know, something that you can't do. We live in a subdivision. We live in the city. You know, it's not something that we would really be able to do. That's for farmers. And I gotta tell you, this has been one of the best decisions that we've made as a family, is to get these chickens. It's really opened my eyes to a lot of things. So, one of the huge things that, you know, kind of discouraged me from saying okay to the whole chicken idea originally was, you know, I thought it's going to cost money to feed them, it's going to cost money to heat the chicken coop, it's going to cost money to build the chicken coop, it's going to be an extra responsibility. You know, we were very busy. My wife and I both worked at the time. We have 3 kids. You know, they're not really going to benefit us any. Eggs are very inexpensive, so what's the point? And I just kind of kept dismissing it. I ended up watching a few documentaries from a guy named Joel Salatin, and if you haven't seen any of his documentaries, they're all over YouTube. If you search for Joel Salatin, you'll find a bunch of them. But he really talks about, you know, how God and nature kind of created all of these systems that work together and in harmony and all that kind of stuff. And that's kind of one of the things I really liked about the aquaponics setup was, you know, it just seems like, oh, that makes sense. You know, the fish waste, feeding you know, the bacteria, converting the fish waste into something that the plants can use. The plants grow and clean the water for the fish. It's one of those kind of systems that just makes a lot of sense. For years and years, ever since probably farmers existed, chickens have been there. You know, they are part of a system, I think, that your household really can use. And the reason for that is, you know, kitchen scraps and kitchen waste, you have no idea until you really start paying attention at how much food you throw away. Leftovers, uneaten bowls of cereal. We had some corn on the cob that just kind of shriveled up. We cooked it in time. It would have gone in the compost, which would be beneficial also. But a lot of things can't go in the compost, you know, and especially those things that contain meat, and cheeses and milk and, you know, dried cereal, for instance, or anything like that. All of those types of leftover things go right to the chickens. Chickens eat that stuff along with some, you know, healthy food that we buy for them as well to give them a balanced diet, and they produce eggs for us. These chickens have been producing, you know, 2 eggs a day, or sorry, 6 eggs a day, 1 egg per chicken. We have 6 chickens. An egg per day for about the last, I don't know, over a month now. And having those fresh eggs has been wonderful, you know. I mean, we've just found so many uses for them. We're doing a lot more baking, and we've been able to give some away, and that's been nice. So, you know, it really has been just an awesome kind of part of our household system that I really like. You know, when we talk about sustainability, we talk about, you know, trying to reuse and use everything and not throw things away. I had no idea how much food scraps we threw away that we could have, you know, the chickens can eat. So we also compost a lot of things. We also have the worms. But you know, if we have a family of 5, and we produce a lot of waste in the kitchen. So this is another great resource and use for those things. We now do not throw out anything except for, you know, if something's gone bad, obviously we throw it out. We're not going to feed the chickens moldy things or things that have gone bad. Our dog will eat anything that has chicken in it. We don't like to feed chicken back to the chickens, even though you really can. It's just kind of not something we try to do. We don't feed eggs to the chickens either. Any leftover egg scraps we have, again, the dog will eat that. And we do supplement the dog's diet with a little bit of food scraps as well. So, but it's just been a wonderful system. So I thought I would mention that, having owned the chickens for a while and have the chicken coop running. You know, the automatic feeder and the automatic watering system and everything that we have here has been almost completely hands-free. I mean, we only have to come out here once every couple days and do something. So it's really been nice. So if you're considering getting chickens, and you're watching this video, you know, I recommend just take the dive and do it. You don't have to do something as elaborate as this chicken coop and spend, you know, $400 building something and all that. Get something simple. You can order chickens online. You can buy them at TSC and other tractors, you know, farm supply places. In the springtime, they're not expensive. The food is inexpensive. You know, they're not hard to take care of, and they really are a beneficial addition to a family. And you don't have to live on a farm. Most cities, most subdivisions will allow you to have pets, you know, poultry, birds, and things like that in your yard. They won't allow roosters normally. You can buy chickens that are all female. That's not an issue. You really can, you know, get away with having chickens in a small suburban environment or even city. Check with your local city ordinances. Check with your subdivisions or associations. Make sure that it's okay. But just about everybody, you know, will allow you to have some chickens, unless you live in an apartment complex or some real close together environment. But they don't make a lot of noise. They don't smell. You know, they don't smell at all. The chicken coop is so easy to clean. There's only 6 birds here. We only cleaned it twice in the last 6 months. So I really do recommend it. So hopefully this has encouraged somebody to get chickens. Please let me know your experience if you already own chickens and maybe I left something out. Other benefits, throw them in the comment section. I apologize about the wind out here today. I'm trying to talk in between gusts of wind and it's not working very well, but thank you for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you thought that it was informational at all, and check out some of our other videos, and I'll put some links up to the chicken coop building and all that stuff at the end here if you're interested in that. So thanks for tagging along today, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.